talent. Wow! We have witnessed the brilliance of our four schools. Washoe Colegio Iloilo, Iloilo Scholastic Academy, Ateneo de Iloilo, and the host of this year's Chinese New Year, Sunyat Sen High School of Iloilo Incorporated. Coming together with selected students and the dynamic performers of FedLab.
让我们再次以热烈的掌声，感谢同学们带来的美轮美奂、精彩表演。
May we invite our VIPs and guests on stage.
现在有请各位领导上台合影留念。
一定要穿哪一套？今年全部来淘宝。今年要带哪一套？当然年轻的越好，我看也看不到。告诉我，自然就不很紧张，不能不接就快到。不会走不了，朋友他把车子放有吉他。新年又来到。
Because at this point in time, everybody just get ready because we are going to capture. We are not going to capture the moment. This happens only once a year, and we are truly blessed that God gave us a very fine weather tonight. So we are going to have our groovy. We're going to make it two. First, we are going to document our LED wall. So as is, the photographers, the